You are listening to Free Minds Club, the one and only YouTube channel to promote hidden talent from each and every corner of the country. Today in this video, we are going to tell you about Rukhsana Kausar, a co-author of anthology Kuch Unki Alfaz, Kuch Hamari Awaaz. Rukhsana Kausar, a young poetess from Poonch, Jammu and Kashmir. Currently she is in third semester in Government Degree College, Poonch. She started writing at the age of 14. She used to write in Urdu, Hindi, Gojri and English too. She feels that sharing happiness in this world is quite easy, but on the contrary, when it comes to sadness, we barely find a friend to share it with. Whenever she go through any sort of trauma in her life, or face a time when world is rejecting her, or feels like nobody truly understand her, she engulf all her feelings and write down all her sorrows on a piece of paper. It gives her a feeling as if non-judgmental air is listening to all her sadness. Her heart feels light as she write a poem, dwelled in tears written while having teary eyes, shivering hands, and a hopeless life.